Hey everybody, welcome to Lesson A1 English Listening Practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. You ready? So today I'm going to talk about cooking. I love to cook and I have a natural talent for it. I am lucky because I cook very well and I eat well. Let me tell you about some of the things that I cook. Since I am Mexican, I like cooking Mexican food. Sometimes I make tacos, which are delicious. There are many types of tacos, so I can cook different tacos each time. I also make pasta. I make really good pasta. I don't buy the pasta in the box that you buy from the store. I make the pasta by hand. I make the noodles and they taste so good. When you make pasta by hand, it tastes better. I love all types of pasta, but my favorite is ravioli. For me, ravioli is the perfect food. Actually, I like all Italian food. When we were in Italy, we ate some amazing food. I also cook a lot of meat. We like eating different cuts of steak every week. We try to buy cheap meat because meat can be expensive. We don't want to spend a lot of money, so we buy cheap meat. I cook the meat in a pan, which is easy. Other people cook their meat on a grill. We don't have a grill, so we use a pan. I think that meat tastes good if it's cooked on a pan or on a grill. Meat is always good. Tonight, I plan to cook meat. I also cook really good breakfast. I make really good pancakes. I like to eat pancakes with maple syrup and peanut butter. I know that's a little strange, but it's delicious. I love pancakes and peanut butter. I also cook chilaquiles, a common Mexican breakfast. This is my favorite breakfast in the world. I love chilaquiles. This dish has tortilla chips, salsa, cheese, and cream. I like it with eggs on top. It's so good. I don't know which is better, breakfast or dinner. In my family, we cook dinner 5 days a week. The other days, we go out to eat dinner, or we eat dinner with other people. Sometimes we eat dinner with my parents, and other times we eat dinner with my sister. Tonight, we will eat dinner with my parents, and I will cook dinner. When I was a kid, my mother cooked dinner every weekday. Every evening we ate dinner at 6:30 p.m. every day. Do you eat dinner at the same time every day? In the U.S., it's common for families to eat dinner together. We sit together at the table, we eat, and we talk about our day. Dinner time is important in the U.S. In other countries, people eat dinner late, like at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. But this is too late for me. I don't want to eat dinner late. I like eating dinner at 5, 6, or 7 p.m. This is a good time for dinner. What do you like eating for dinner? I like every type of food from every country. I can eat anything, and I love trying new foods. Like I said, I don't cook well, but I eat well. Maybe I will learn to cook in the future, but I don't know. I don't like cooking, and I don't have the natural talent to cook. I prefer eating, not cooking. My wife cooks very well, so I don't need to learn. I'm thankful for that. Okay, we are finished for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you like cooking. I'll see you next video.